I welcome all of you in the lesson number 30 for grade 1 mathematics. We are studying about the patterns, guys, and we started the number patterns in the last class. So, a quick revision first we will do. Then we will continue from where we left. We will practice about the some number patterns, and inshallah, today we'll complete some questions of the book, practice zone, and then we will move to the testing zone as well. So regarding the number patterns, guys, what I explained you that I'll just quick revise it. Look at these number cubes, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are some towers and every tower has some number cubes, right? And if you observe, if you notice that after every one tower, the another tower is having one more cube than the previous one. If you look at this tower, so it is having one more cube. There was only one, but it is having two. If you check this, it is also having one more cube than the previous one. If you check this 4, so this tower is also having one more cube than the previous one. So you have identified the pattern that in the pattern you are adding one cube from one tower to another tower. So if you have to find out the another tower, that how many cubes should be there in next tower, so you can easily say you will add one in that tower and you will say it will be 6. How do you know? Because you know that in the pattern you are adding one. It is one more. What is one more of 1? That is 2. What is one more of 2? 3. What is one more of 3? 4. What is one more of 5? What is one more of 4? 5. What is one more of 5? 6. So if someone asks you what will be one more of 6, so you will say, sir, it will be 7, because in this pattern we are adding one, or you can also say we are counting in ones, right? We are counting ones, we are adding one. Okay, so in this way you can easily identify such patterns. We did too many examples for this number pattern where we are counting in ones. Like if I give you example 51, 52, 53, 54, after 54 what will come? So you will say, sir, it will be 55. Why 55? Because 51, 52, 53, 54 we are counting in ones. So after 54 what comes? 55 comes, right? Or you can also say because 52 is one more than 51, or 53 is one more than 52. 54 will be one more than 53. That's why answer is 54. So this is the first number pattern we have studied. The next number pattern was Bubble use cubes to show another number pattern, right? And that pattern was, you can see here she is having 12 cubes in one block. Okay, in one block she is having 12 cubes, but in the second she is having less than 12, that is 11. So guys, here you have to check carefully. Before that pattern the number was in increasing order, right? It was having only one cube, then two cube, then three cube, then four cube. So in the next cube, the next tower was having more cubes than the previous one. But in this pattern, if you see, it is having 12, then the next tower, the next block is having 11, then again less, then again less. So it is going back. Okay, it is less, it is less than, it is less than. So if I ask you how many blocks are less in this second block than one block. So it was having 12, it is 11. So in this block there is one less cube than the previous one. Same here in 10, 10 is one less than 11. Same here in 9, 9 is one less than 10, right? So it is 12, 1 less than 12 is 11, 1 less than 11 is 10, and 10, 1 less than 10 is 9. Or I can say, guys, that we are counting back. We are going back. Okay. When counting back, you know how to count back. 12, then 11, then 10, then 9, then 8. So after 9, if someone asks you what will come, so you will say, sir, it will be 8. After 9, it will be 8. While counting back, after 9, it will be 8. So we can see the pattern that in this pattern we are going back. That's mean 1 less. So it is 1 less means we are subtracting 1, and we can find out by counting back or by subtracting 1 what will be the next number. It will be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good.
Yes,
That's very good.
sir.
That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. That's very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. The next pattern is, you can see in the book. The next pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Guys, if you look here, we are counting on in twos here. We are counting on in twos here. If you look 2, first thing you have to identify that 4 is bigger than 2 or smaller. Obviously bigger. If it is bigger, that means 4 is more than 2. 4 is more than 2. More than means you are adding. You are adding. How much you are adding? How much you are adding? There are two ways you can do this. You write 2, after 2 what comes? 3, after 3 what comes? 4. Like here, 2, 3, 4. Check how many times, how many you are counting on in ones or twos or threes. You're skipping what? So this, look, if you count on in ones, it should be 3, but it is not 3. After 2, it is 4. That's mean you are not counting in ones. That's mean you are counting on in twos. From 2, you skip this 3 and you directly move to the 4. That's mean you are counting on in twos. 5, 6. Then again, if you count 2, 1, 5, 1 and 6 will be 2. So look, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. Now you know that you are counting on in twos. You can also look here. This is 2. When you count 1, 2, it becomes 4. The next pattern is, the next number is 4. 4. Again count 2. 1, 2, 6. Again count 2. 1, 2, 8. So what should be next? Count 1, 2. It should be 10. It should be 10. Or guys, there is one more way you can do it, because you always will not have a number track that will help you. You can do by adding also. 2 plus what will give you 4? 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Check again. 4 plus what will give you 6? 2. So that's mean in the pattern you are adding 2. It is 2 more than. So for finding out what will come after 2, after 8, you will add 2 in 8 and the answer will be 10. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's very good. That's very good. All right. Coming to the page number 98, guys. On page number 98, there is one more pattern. You have to look at this pattern and you have to identify the pattern. The pattern is starting from 11, 9, 7, 5. So guys, you will see the first number is 11. The second number is 9. 9 is smaller than 11. 9 is less than 11. That means you are counting back. You are not counting. You are counting back. How you are counting back? Okay. But after 11, when we are counting back, it's 10 and then 9. So that's mean you are counting back not in ones. You are counting back in twos. You are counting back in twos. Once you start counting back from 11, so you will write 10, then you will write 9. So after 11, if it is 9, that's mean you are not counting back in ones. You are counting back in twos. After 11, 1, 2. Same here with 9. When you are counting back, it will 8 and it will 7. But you can see after 9, what is the number? 7. So you count back in ones, that was 8. But here you count back in twos, that's why this is 7. So you are actually counting back in twos in this pattern. Or you can say one more thing. Sir, in this pattern, we are subtracting 2. 11 minus 2 is equals to 9. 11 minus what will give you 9? 2. 11 minus 1 is equals to 10. Okay. Then 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Now you have to find out what will come after 5. So this is very easy. You will write 5 and you will check. While counting back, you have to count back 2, count back in twos, 1 and 2. It will be 3. Or you can check by this. Subtract 2 from 5. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So the next will be 3. Here will be 3. 1. In that way, you can easily find out the answer. Again, I repeat, how you identify the pattern? You check. You check the pattern. The next number is less than. That means you are counting back. How much you are counting back? In ones, if you count back, it should be 10, but it is 9. That means you are counting back in twos. When you count back in twos, you find the 9. You check again, 9 to 7, yes. The pattern you identified. Now, do same to find out the next number. 5, go back, count back 2 times, 3. Count back in twos, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Same here, if I give you 41, if I give you 40, 38, 36. So what will be the next? You will say, sir, 34. Because we are counting back in twos, and after 36, if we count back in twos, it will be 34. Let's check some examples here, guys. Look at these number patterns. We have discussed, guys, 4 number patterns. Okay. The first number pattern, counting on in ones. Count on in ones. Okay. The second number pattern we have discussed, that is count backward in ones, like this. Count backward in ones. And one pattern we have discussed, that count on in twos. And one pattern we have discussed, that is count backward in twos. These are the patterns we have discussed. Look at here, guys, just quick example. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is a simple counting, guys. We are going forward. We are going forward. This is smallest to largest. So this is very easy. If I ask you after 12, what will come? So it's very easy. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What come after 12? That is 13. So this is very easy. Now, If I ask you this pattern, look at this pattern, guys. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So again here, you are this data is arranged from smallest to largest. You are simply counting in ones. So if I remove one of this, so you can also tell me the answer. After 53, what is one more of 53? 54. What is one more of 54? 55. What is one more of 55? That is 56. In that way you can answer. Same here also, we are counting in back, adding 1. If I remove one of, that's 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. What will be there? You will say, sir, it will be 45. The next pattern example, guys, here 41, 40, 39. So you can see here, guys, that the pattern is arranged here from greatest to smallest. 40 is not greater than 41. It is smaller. It is less than 41. 40 doesn't come after 41. Okay. That means you are not counting forward. You are counting backward. You are subtracting. You are counting backward. How many backward? If you check after 41, you write 40, then 39. So you are not counting back in ones. If you are counting back in ones. After 41, if you count back, so it will be 40. So you can check by this also, or you can check 41 minus 1 is equals to 40. In that way also. So 30, 39, if I remove one of this. So can you tell me, guys, after 37, what number will come?
36.
Very good. It will be 36. It will be 36. That's very good. Same here, guys. It's 89, 88, 87. You can see that we are going down. This is greatest to smallest. That's mean for less than, subtraction. How much less than? 1. We are counting back in 1. So if I remove one of this, can you tell me this? 89, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83. After 83, what will come?
82. 82.
That's very good. There will be 82. Because we are counting back in ones here. Now we'll move to the next pattern. Look here, guys. This is 24. This is 26. So this is the smallest to greatest. That means you are adding. 26 is more than 24. 26 is more than 24. When you talk about more, that means we are talking about addition. Okay. That means we are talking about addition. So 24, 26. If you write 24, but if you count in ones, it will become 25 and then 26. So you are not counting in ones here, guys, because if you are counting in ones, then after 24, there should be 25. You are counting in twos here. You are skipping this one. You are counting 1, 2, 1, 2. So after 25, after 24, you directly go to 26. You skip this 25. Or you can say that you are adding 2. In 24, when you add 2, it will become 26. So you have identified the pattern that you are counting in twos here. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. Or you can also check like this. After 28, it becomes 29 and then 30. But you are counting in 2, so you will skip this and you directly reach 30. If I ask you, what will come after 36? Can you tell me, guys? No. Those who are saying 37, they are wrong. Check the pattern and tell me again. Very good. The answer is 38. Why 38, guys? Because we are counting in twos. Look here. If I write 36 here, what comes after 36? 37. Then 38. So look, we are counting in twos in the pattern. In the pattern, we are counting in twos. So we will not count 37. We will count in twos. 1 and then 2. So it will be 38. It will be 38. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. And now we will check the last pattern example. Look at this. This is 81, 79, 77. So guys, after 81, the number is 79. 79 is not more than 81. 79 is less than 81. That's mean we are not counting. We are not adding. We are counting backwards. We are subtracting. We are not counting. We are not adding. We are subtracting, or we are counting back. How do you know? Because 79 is less than 81. So if I count back from 79, it will be 78, 77. It will be 78 and 77. So look here, this is 79. Let's suppose if I count back from 81, it will be 80 and then 79 if I count back from 81. So you can see, guys, if I count back in ones, so there should be after 81, there should be 80, but it is 79. That means we are not counting in ones. We are counting back in twos, or we are subtracting 2. 81 minus 2 is equals to 79. 79 minus 2 is equals to 77. 79 is 2 less than 81. 77 is 2 less than 79. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes,
That's very good. So what you have to do, guys, you have to find out after 69 what comes. So you can count back after 69. You can write like this. If you count back from 69, it will be like 68 or 67. Okay. One time you count back in ones, it will be 68. But in the pattern, you are counting back in twos. So it should be, yes, guys, what should be the answer after 69?
67.
Very good. The answer should be 67. If we count in ones, so the answer was 68. But because we are counting in twos, that's why the answer is 67. Coming to the book, guys. Come here and complete this practice zone. Look at this pattern, then fill in the boxes with the correct answers. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balls. That's why you will write 3. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write 4. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you will write 5 here. Guys, this is on page number 98 of your book. Okay. So open your book, page number 98 and complete it. 3, 4, 5. Guys, how many balls should be there now after 5?
6.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. There should be 6 balls. There should be 6 balls. Guys, this is your homework to draw 6 balls here. Okay. You will draw 6 balls here in the homework. Okay. Draw proper balls here. in the homeworks. This is your homework. Okay. You will have to draw 6 balls here. This number pattern starts with 3. To find out the next number in this pattern, what we are doing, guys? We are counting in ones. So count on, we will write it is count on in ones. We are counting on in ones. Now come to the question number 2, guys. Write the missing number in this pattern. 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me after 1, 2, 3 what numbers will come? 1, 2, 3.
4 and 5.
Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Very good. There will be, the answer will be 4 and 5. That's very good. 11, 13, 15. Look here, guys. This is the pattern. 11, then after 11, it is 13. That's mean 13 is more than 11. That's mean you are adding. You are adding in ones. If you add 1 in 11, so after 11, it comes 12. But it is 13. That's mean you are adding in twos. You are counting in twos. 13, then 13, 15. So same here, you will write 15. After 15, it comes 16 and then 17. So counting in twos, skip 16 and yet the answer will be 17. From 17, if you do 17, 18, 19. So from 17, if you write, it will be 19. It will be 19. $17 and 19. Clear, guys? Very good, guys. You have to complete this in your book with me. Okay, so keep writing with me as well. All right. Now coming to the patterns, question number 2C. This is 20, 19, 18. So 19 is less than 20. Okay, that's mean you are not counting. You are counting back. 20, 19, 18. This is very easy. Can you tell me, guys, after 18, what number should come?
17.
Very good. Very good. There should be 17 and after 17 there should be what number?
16.
That's very good because we are counting back in ones. So when we count back from 18, it's 17 and then 16. Now coming to the pattern D, guys. This is 10 and this is 8. 8 is less than 10. 8 is less than 10. So we are not adding. We are not counting. We are not adding. We are not counting. We are counting back. We are subtracting. This is 10. This is 8. So when you count back from 10, 10, 9, 8. So you skip that and you directly move to the 8. So same you will do for 6. After 6, you have to do counting back 6, 5, 4. Count back in twos, 1, 2. 1, 2. So the answer will be 4. 4, 3. The answer will be 2. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Can I go to the next page, guys? Very good. We are going to the testing zone now. Coming to the page number 101. Page number 101, guys. Testing zone. Write the correct answer. Testing zone, page number 101. A. Dash has 3 sides. Guys, tell me the plane shape which have 3 sides. What is the name of that shape? Triangle. Very good. Very good.
Yes,
That's very good. Very good. Now tell me which shape has no straight sides. Which shape has no straight sides? Which shape has no straight sides, guys? No straight sides. Very good. Guys, don't make noise. You have to tell me this answer. The answer is circle. Very good. The answer is circle. Just tell your answer one time. Circle has no straight side. It has only one side that is curved. Very good. Now they are talking about solid, guys. Which solid has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face? Yes, which solid has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face? Very good. You can see here, guys, this is cylinder. Cylinder has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. So the answer is cylinder. It is cylinder. We have already discussed that. What is the shape of the clock? Yes, guys, can you tell me the shape of the clock? Yes, the answer is circle. So you will write here circle. This is the answer. On the next page, guys, page number 102. Question number 2 is your homework. Page number 102, question number 2 is your homework. You have 2 homeworks. You have to complete question number 2 of testing zone, page number 102. And you have to complete, you have to draw these balls on page number 98, 6 balls. Clear, guys? That's very good. Okay, guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you into the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.